Welcome to Mastering Work Stress, a survival guide. We're glad you're here, and we're ready to walk you through some effective strategies to manage work stress and improve your overall well-being. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, stress can often feel like an uninvited guest. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through this. We'll be exploring a variety of techniques, from organizing and prioritizing tasks to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and practicing mindfulness. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate, these strategies are for everyone. So sit back, grab a notepad, and let's dive into the world of stress management together. Let's start with our first strategy: prioritize and organize. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and prioritize them based on urgency and importance. Tools like to-do lists or project management apps can be your best friends in staying organized. Set realistic deadlines. Avoid overcommitting and break your work into focused time blocks. Techniques like the Pomodoro method, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, can be quite effective. Getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in regular physical activity are not just good for your health, but also help in reducing stress. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, mindfulness techniques, and progressive muscle relaxation can help you stay calm, present, and reduce anxiety. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths and past successes to boost your confidence. Clearly communicate with your colleagues and superiors about your workload and deadlines. Don't shy away from expressing your concerns and seeking support when needed. It's okay to decline additional tasks if your plate is already full. Setting realistic boundaries is essential to avoid burnout. Connect with your colleagues for social breaks and share your feelings with a trusted friend or family member. Activities you enjoy outside of work can help you recharge. Take breaks to do something you love, like reading, listening to music, or pursuing a hobby. Enhancing your skills and setting realistic career goals can boost your confidence in your abilities. Finding humor in everyday situations and laughing can release endorphins, improving your mood and reducing stress. Embrace a growth mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Accept that not everything is within your control and focus on what you can influence. Ensuring your workspace is ergonomically sound and taking short breaks to stretch and move around can prevent physical stress. If stress becomes overwhelming, consider talking to a mental health professional. Employee assistance programs or counseling services provided by your employer can offer valuable support. Remember, stress management is a personal journey. It may require a combination of these techniques to find what works best for you. Take proactive steps to manage stress for the benefit of your mental and physical health, productivity, and satisfaction at work. So why not give these techniques a try? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. You've got this.